Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss multiple choice questions or choose the correct answer or fill in the blanks from the chapter Quadratic Equations. If you didn't watch my previous videos, the link is in the description, watch it. Okay, first question is, which of the following is not a quadratic equation? So, quadratic equation means for the given equation, if the degree is 2, then it is called as quadratic equation. Okay, let us check all the options. Here option A, if we take x square plus 3x minus 5 equals to 0. So for the first term, power is 2. So for this 2 is the degree. Here x nothing is there, so power 1. Here power is 1, so 1 is degree. Here constant always the degree is 0. Now out of these 3, the biggest is 2, so the degree of the total equation is 2. So here the degree is 2, so definitely it is quadratic equation. Next, here degree 2, here degree 3, maximum degree is 3, then this is not quadratic equation. Here constant 0, x1, x square 2, so maximum is 2, so it is quadratic. X square maximum 2, so quadratic equation. He is asking about which is not quadratic equation, so option B is the correct option. Question number 2. The quadratic equation has a degree. Quadratic means 2. So the degree of the quadratic equation is 2. Next, the biquadratic equation has a degree. Bi means again 2. Quadratic means 2 again. So 2 plus 2, 4. The biquadratic equation has a degree 4. Question number 4. X of x plus 1 plus 8 equals to x plus 2 into x minus 2. He gave one equation and is asking whether it is linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation, biquadratic equation. Okay. First, let us solve it. X of x plus 1 plus 8. X into x, x square plus x into 1x plus 8. This is LHS. Now if we take the RHS, x plus 2 into x minus 2. X plus 2 into x minus 2. X plus 2 into x minus 2 is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So x plus 2 into x minus 2 will become x square minus 2 square. Left side x square, right side x square will get cancelled. So we remains with x plus 8 is equals to minus 2 square 4. Here x power is 1. So if the maximum power is 1, then it is linear equation. Next, question number 5. X minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 3. So this x minus 2 whole square is in the form of a minus b whole square. So if we expand this x minus 2 whole square, we will get x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 1 as it is equals to 2x minus 3. Now if we observe the left side as well as right side, here maximum power is 2. So definitely we can consider this as quadratic equation. So option B is the correct one. Next, question number 6. The roots or zeros of the quadratic equation 6x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. So constant is minus 2 into x square coefficient is 6. Minus 2 into 6 minus 12. Now write all the tables where we will get 12. 1 12 2 6 3 4. In reverse again 4 3 6 2 12 1. Okay, now here middle term is minus, last term is also minus. So in these pairs, bigger number should be minus, smaller number should be plus. So smaller number should be plus, bigger number should be minus, smaller number plus, bigger number minus, smaller number plus, bigger number minus. Now do calculation. Plus 1 minus 12, it is minus 11, plus 2 minus 6 minus 4, plus 3 minus 4 minus 1. So this minus 1 is our middle term. So last pair is the correct pair. So 6x square as it is. In the place of minus x, we will write plus 3x minus 4x. Plus 3x minus 4x. Next, minus 2 as it is equals to 0. From the first term and second term, I will take 3x common because 6 will come in 3 table, 3 also will come in 3 table. Here x is there, here also x is there. Now, 6, where it will come in 3 table, 2s are. Here x square is there, here x completed, so 1 more x. Plus, here 3x is there, here 3x completed, so 1 will remain. Now, here also we need to get the same inside the bracket. So, what we need to take common then? Here x is there, here also x is there, here 2, here 4. So in 2 table, where we'll get 4? 2s, here minus symbol minus. Minus 2 into 2x minus 4x minus 2 into plus 1 minus 2 is equals to 0. Here 2 brackets are there, so write it once. 2x plus 1 into here extra 3x. Here extra minus 2 is equals to 0. Here plus 1 is there, so minus 1. Here multiplied by 2 is there, so divided by 2. Here minus 2 is there, plus 2. Here multiplied by 3 is there, divided by 3. So these are the zeros or roots of the given quadratic equation. Minus 1 by 2 and plus 2 by 3. So option C is the correct option. Question number 7 is the quadratic equation whose roots are 1 comma minus 1 by 2. In the previous problem, he gave quadratic equation and we calculated the roots. In this case, he gave roots. We need to find the quadratic equation. So we have one formula, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Here he is speaking about equation, so make it equals to 0. Now, x square as it is minus alpha and beta are nothing but roots or zeros. So, in this case, he gave roots as 1 and minus 1 by 2. So, 1 minus 1 by 2 times x plus alpha into beta 1 into minus 1 by 2 is equals to 0. So, x square as it is minus 1 minus half x plus into minus 1 into 1 by 2 is equals to 0. So here I don't want any denominators. So what I will do, every term I will multiply by 2 again. So first term x square, I am multiplying that by 2 minus second term half x, I am multiplying that by 2 minus half, again this also I am multiplying by 2 is equals to 0. Here left side I am multiplying every term by 2, so right side also we need to do the same. X square into 2x square. Here 2 cancel, so we remains with minus x. 2 cancel, we remains with minus 1 is equals to 0 into anything 0. So the required quadratic equation is 2x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. So it means option B is the correct option. Question number 8. The quadratic equation whose one root is 3 plus root 2. So 3 plus root 2 is one root. Then the second root will become 3 minus root 2. So whenever they give roots in terms of this square roots, definitely if one is positive means second one will be negative. If one is negative means second one will be positive. Okay, now he gave two roots here. I mean we have two roots, so we need to find the quadratic equation. Same like the previous formula, x square minus alpha plus beta times x plus alpha beta. He is speaking about equation, so make it equals to 0. x square minus alpha 3 plus root 2 plus beta 3 minus root 2 times x plus alpha into beta 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2 is equals to 0. So inside the bracket plus root 2 minus root 2 will get cancelled. So we remains with x square minus 3 plus 3 6 into 6 sorry x 6x. Now 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square, that is nothing but 3 square minus root 2 square is equals to 0. Here square root square cancel. So we remains with x square minus 6x plus 3 square is 9 minus 2 is equals to 0. So we get x square minus 6x plus 9 minus 2 plus 7 is equals to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. X square minus 6x plus 7 is equals to 0. So option D is correct. Question number 9. 2x square plus kx plus 3 equals to 0 has 2 equal roots. So the given equation is 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equals to 0. So x square coefficient is a, x coefficient is b, constant is c. So a value 2, b value k and c value 3. So he said clearly this equation has 2 equal roots. Then the condition is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Okay. B is nothing but k. So k square minus 4 into a is nothing but 2 into c is nothing but 3 is equals to 0. K square minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 is equals to 0. Minus 24 I will take to another side, then it will become plus 24. So k square is equals to plus 24. K square is 24. Then what about k? K is equals to plus or minus root 24. K is equals to plus or minus under root 24 can be written as 6 4s are. So k is equals to plus or minus under root 6 into 4, I will separate it as root 6 into root 4. So k is equals to plus or minus root 6 as it is into root 4, nothing but 2. So k is equals to plus or minus root 6 into 2 root 6. So k value is plus or minus 2 root 6. Then a correct option is option D. Okay, let us move to question number 10. Sum of the roots of given quadratic equation 3x square minus 9x plus 5 is equals to 0. So the equation is 3x square minus 9x plus 5 equals to 0. X square coefficient is a, x coefficient is b. So here x coefficient is minus 9 and constant is c. Sum of the roots formula alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Now we need to find alpha plus beta value, that is sum of the roots. So minus as it is, what is the b value? B value is minus 9 divided by a value 3, which is equals to minus into minus plus 9 by 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So the value of alpha plus beta is 3. Sum of the roots of the given quadratic equation is 3. The given quadratic equation is 4x square plus 3x plus 7 equals to 0. Then is asking to find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So most of the students will do one mistake here, that is finding the roots of the given quadratic equation, and then later they will substitute that alpha and beta in this. So if you do like that also, you will get the answer, but it will take a lot of time. So instead of that, first solve the given equation. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Simply multiply both the denominators. Alpha into beta, alpha beta, 1 into beta, beta, plus alpha into 1, alpha. Now if we observe the numerator and denominator clearly, beta plus alpha is nothing but alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta value minus b by a by alpha into beta c by a. Sum of the zeros minus b by a, product of the zeros c by a. Here numerator minus b by a as it is into this denominator c by a will become reciprocal a by c. A cancel, so is equals to minus b by c. Now from the question, x coefficient is b, so here it is plus 3, here minus as it is 3, divided by c value constant 7, so the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is minus 3 by 7. Option B. If the roots of px square plus qx plus 2 equals to 0 are reciprocal to each other. So the original roots are alpha and beta. Now he clearly mentioned that the roots are reciprocals to each other. So alpha I am taking as alpha only. Then what about beta? This beta is reciprocal of this alpha. So 1 by alpha. Because in the question he clearly mentioned roots are reciprocals to each other. So if this is alpha, this will become 1 by alpha. In case if this is alpha, this will become 1 by alpha. If in case this is beta, this will become 1 by beta. If this is beta, this will become 1 by beta. You can take any, no problem, same. Okay, now I am going to find the product of the zeros, that is alpha into beta is equals to c by a. Product of the zeros is equals to c by a. Alpha is alpha only into beta is nothing but 1 by alpha is equals to c divided by a. Here constant is 2 divided by a is nothing but x square coefficient. X square coefficient is p. Here left side alpha will get cancelled, so we remains with 1 is equals to 2 by p. I'll take this p to the left side. 1 into p, 1p is equals to 2. So 1p is nothing but p, so p is equals to 2. So now check which one is the correct option then. Option D is the correct option, p equals to plus 2. Question number 13. If one root of 2x square plus kx minus 6 is equals to 0 is 2, then what is the k value? One of the roots of the equation is 2. So the given equation is 2x square plus kx minus 6 is equals to 0. He said that one of the roots is 2. So in the place of x, we need to substitute 2. 2 as it is, in the place of x 2 whole square plus k into in the place of x 2 minus 6 is equals to 0. First bracket we need to solve. So this 2 square is 4. 2 as it is outside into 4 plus k into 2k minus 6 is equals to 0. 2 into 4 8 plus 2k minus 6 is equals to 0. 8 minus 6 2 plus 2k is equals to 0. I will take this plus 2 to the right side, then it will become minus 2. So 2k is equals to minus 2, then k is equals to minus 2 by 2. 2 both will get cancelled, so we remains with k is equals to minus 1. Option B is the correct option. Roots of 7x square plus x minus 1 is equals to 0 are. So, real and distinct, real, equal, imaginary, it means nature of the roots. He is asking about nature of the roots. So, what is the formula for finding the nature of the roots? B square minus 4ac. Value we need to compare. Okay, here 7x square plus x minus 1 is equals to 0 is the given equation. X square coefficient is a, so a is 7. X coefficient is b. Here before x no number is there, so it means 1, and constant is c. So here constant is minus 1. Okay, now let us substitute in b square minus 4ac. B square, b value is 1, so 1 square minus 4 into a value 7 into c value minus 1. 1 square 1 minus into minus plus 4 into 7 into 1, 28. 1 plus 28, 29. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. Question number 15. A natural number represents capital N represents natural numbers. A natural number when increased by 12 equals 160 times its reciprocal. A natural number, what is that? We don't know, so I am taking it as x. Increased by 12 plus 12 equals 160 times its reciprocal. So first I took as x, then x reciprocal is 1 by x. This x, if I take to the left side, here it is division, so it will become multiplication. And x total we are taking to the left side, then x we need to multiply to the total left part. X into x square plus 12 into x 12x is equals to 160. Now 160 also I will take to the left side, so we will get x square plus 12x minus 160 is equals to 0. By splitting the middle term into two terms, I will solve it. X square as it is plus 12x, I am writing it as plus 20x minus 8x minus 160 is equals to 0. Here plus 20 is there, so 0 will be minus 20. Here minus 8 is there, so 0 will be plus 8. Now in the question he clearly mentioned that natural number. So natural numbers are not negatives, so only positive. 8 is our required number. So option B is the correct option. Question number 16. Under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6 plus and so on. What is the value of it? Okay, first they gave under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6 plus and so on. I am taking this as x. Now this outside one I am writing, this outside one, this outside part I am writing under root 6 plus. Okay, now if we observe this inside part, under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6 plus, it comes again infinite times. So that total I took it as x, so that x I will substitute here is equals to x again. Now to remove the square root, I will do squaring on both the sides. here square, these two will get cancelled, so we remains with 6 plus x is equals to x square. Now everything I will take one side, x square as it is, plus x will become minus x, plus 6 will become minus 6 is equals to 0. Now by splitting the middle term into two terms we need to solve it. X square as it is minus x can be written as minus 3x plus 2x, minus 6 is equals to 0. Here minus 3 is there, so plus 3 is the 0, here plus 2 is there, minus 2 is the 0. Now this is square root. Inside of the square root negative numbers won't be there, so plus 3 is the value. So it means option C is the correct option. Question number 17. Positive root of under root 3x square plus 6 is equals to 9. Root 3x square plus 6 is equals to 9. So first, to remove the square root, I'll do squaring on both the sides. A square root square will get cancelled, so we will remains with 3x square plus 6 is equals to 9 square 81. Now I will take this plus 6 to the right side, so we will get 3x square is equals to 81 minus 6. 3x square is equals to 81 minus 6, 75. I'll take 3 also to the right side, so we will get x square is equals to 75 by 3. If we do cancellation, 3 1s are 3 25s are, so x square is equals to 25. X square is equals to 25, then x is equals to plus or minus root 25. So x is equals to plus or minus root 25 is 5. In the question he clearly mentioned he want only positive root, so minus 5 we don't want, so x is equals to plus 5. Option B is the correct option. Question number 18. Which of the following has 2 as a root? So he is asking one of the roots is 2. So that 2 will be root for which of the following equations? So we have only two options are there. One is taking every option, every equation and splitting the middle term into two terms, and we will finalize whether 2 is a root or not. Second option is substituting this 2 in every equation. So I think this substitution is very easy, so I am going with this one only. X square minus 4x plus 5. Now 2 is the root, so substitute 2. 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 5. 2 square is 4 minus 4 2 is 8 plus 5. 5 plus 4 9, 9 minus 8 1. So this is not a 0. Next one, x square plus 3x minus 12. Substitute 2 again. 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 12. 2 square is 4 plus 3 2s are 6 minus 12. 4 plus 6 12. Sorry, 4 plus 6 10. 10 minus 12 minus 2. So not a 0. Next one, 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Substitute 2 again. 2 into 2 square minus 7 into 2 plus 6. 2 square 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 7 2s are 14 plus 6. 8 plus 6 14, 14 minus 14 0. So option C is the correct option. It means for this 2x square minus 7x plus 0 equals to 0, for this quadratic equation 2 is one of the 0. Next, question number 19. What are the roots of given quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0? So the equation is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0. By splitting the middle term, I need to going to find it. Here constant is minus 10 into x square coefficient. Before x square nothing is there, so it means 1. So into 1 is equals to minus 10. Now write where 10 will come, in which tables. 1 10s are, 2 5s are, 5 2s are, 10 1s are. So only these two pairs are possible pairs. Now middle number is negative and third number is negative. So bigger number should be negative and smaller number should be positive. Smaller number positive, bigger number negative, smaller number positive, bigger number negative. Plus 1 minus 10 minus 9 plus 2 minus 5 minus 3. So this second pair is the correct pair. X square as it is minus 3x can be written as plus 2x minus 5x. Plus 2x minus 5x minus 10 is equals to 0. Here plus 2 is there, so minus 2. Here minus 5 is there, plus 5. Minus 2 comma 5 are the zeros or roots of the given quadratic equation. 5 comma minus 2. So option B is the correct option. Question number 20. Discriminant of 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. So discriminant formula b square minus 4ac. To find out the nature of the roots also the same formula. To find out the discriminant also the same formula, b square minus 4ac. Okay, now first the given equation is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. Let us write ABC values. X square coefficient is a, so 2. X coefficient is b. Here before x minus 3, so b value minus 3. C is the constant, it is 5. Let us substitute in. B value minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a value 2 into c value 5 minus 3 square plus 9 minus 4 2s are 8 8 5s are 40. 9 minus 40 minus 31. If we are going to find out the discriminant, till here we will stop. In case if he is asking about the nature of the roots, then we will say b square minus 4ac is minus 31, which is less than 0. Then the roots are imaginary roots. This two steps will come extra in nature. So till here it is discriminant. So the discriminant is minus 31, but that option is not there. So option D is the correct option. None. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.